He raised his arm to shoot, just then crack, 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 3 gunshots came from behind. Jim killed Mary. Mary fell. The pirate with a bandage fell on his side. The other 3 buccaneers, pirates, turned and ran as fast as they could. At the same moment, Dr. Livesey, Gray and Ben Gunn joined us coming from the wood. Now the second party, fine. Dr. Livesey, all of them came and joined Silver and Jim. Forward, cried the doctor. Double quick, my lads, double quick means hurry up, fast, let's run towards the pirates. We must stop them from getting back to their boats. Let's stop them from getting to their boats. The pirates, the one who were running. But we did not have to hurry. In a more open part of the plateau is the large flat land, we could see the 3 pirates still running in the same direction as they had started. Right from Mizzenmast Hill, name of a hill, they had no way of escaping. Now they were in that particular area where they couldn't reach the ships because they were on a flat land and they were still running. So who said? Doctor understood that they had no place to escape. We sat down for a rest. Dr. Livesey sent Gray back for one of the picks, tools for digging, deserted by the buccaneers in their flight. Deserted means left by the buccaneers in their escape. John, Silver and Jim sat down for a rest. Dr. Livesey sent Gray back to get the tools for digging. The deserted means left tools by those pirates to pick them for digging. Then as we proceeded leisurely means easily downhill where the boats were lying, means those Silver and Jim, when they were proceeding towards the boats, he related in a few words Silver related or told in few words what had happened to the treasure. Where was the treasure? Because they got only a small guinea there. But where was real treasure? Now what happened to the treasure? Silver told Jim. It was a story that deeply interested Silver, and Ben Gunn was the hero of it. Now Silver knew that Ben Gunn is the hero of that treasure. Now let's find out what had Ben did. Done. Ben, in his long, lonely wanderings around the island, had found the treasure. Ben, in his long, lonely wandering means moving here and there around the island. Ben was moving here and there, lonely in the island, had found the treasure. He had dug it up and had carried it on his back in many weary, very tired journeys from the foot of the tall pine to a cave he had on the 2-pointed hill at the northeast angle of the island, and there it had remained stored in safety for 2 months. Now Silver is telling that Ben Gunn had dug it up, the area, and had carried it on his back. Means he carried all the treasure on his back from the foot of the tall pine to a cave. Fine. Ben had a cave on the 2-pointed hill, on a hill. He had a cave on a hill at the northeast angle of the island. Means northeast. If this is the island, northeast island of the part of the island, he had a hill, 2-pointed hill where he had a cave. There Gunn had taken the treasure on his back from the foot of the tall pine. He had taken all the treasure to the cave, and there it had lain. Now the treasure lays there in safety. The treasure is there safely for 2 months. Means Ben had already taken everything from here. We set out for Ben Gunn's cave now. everyone started moving for Ben Gun's cave. Where is the Ben Gun cave? We passed the two-pointed hill and met the squire who was waiting for us at the mouth of the cave. Now Silver also a part of that treasure stealing. So with Ben, Silver also was there. So we set out for Ben Gun's cave. After all the scene, when the Silver moved to Ben Gun's cave, we passed the two-pointed hill. We moved from the two-pointed hill and met the scare. One of the other party person was already there, who was waiting for us at the mouth of the cave. Means at the entrance of the cave. Mouth is entrance of the cave. To me, he was most kind, but to Silver, who had already changed sides and joined our party, he said, "John Silver, you are a wretch." Wretch means a wicked person and a pirate. Your hands are full of blood of the men you have killed. Scare was very kind to Jim, but to Silver, he was very angry. He said, "You John Silver, you are a wretch, you are a wicked person. You have already changed your party from there to us, and a pirate. Your hands are full of blood." Means you have killed your own men. Remember, he had fired on them. "Thank you, kindly sir," replied Long John meekly. Meekly means timid, humbly, and saluted the squire. After this also he did this. Means he saluted. He said, "Thank you kindly, sir." Thereupon we all entered the cave. From there all of us entered the cave. It was a large airy place with a little spring and a pool of clear water. Overhung means more, it was hung over there with ferns. A green plant means more of the green plants were hung there. The floor was sand. In a far corner, only duskily flickered over by the blaze, I beheld great heaps of coins and bars of gold. The floor was sandy. Fine. In the cave, in the far corner, what was there? They were faintly lit, only duskily flitted over, means little bit of lighting, means there was little bit of light far away by the blaze with the shining of the treasure there. I beheld, I observed. Jim observed a great heaps, a great plenty of piles of something, means a great coins, plenty of coins there, and a bars of gold. He saw all this was the treasure was there in the cave. So, who had captured the treasure or who had taken away the treasure? Ben Gunn and Silver, John Silver. Students, all of you read the lesson twice. I'll complete the exercises in my next video. Thank you.